Hi everyone, Nigel Saunders here. It is the first day of winter today, and it sure is wintry outside. Today will be a road trip. I'm heading to Connor's place, and then we're going to head to Zinn's. Both Connor and I ordered some Chinese marble pots, and they've arrived, so we're going to pick them up at Zinn's place. That'll be awesome. Then we're going to meet up with Jay from Jay Bonsai, and we're heading to Kim's Nature, a bonsai store. So that'll be a lot of fun too. So it's early in the morning, so I'm heading out now, off to Connor's. Definitely winter croc weather today. I'm also hoping to get home in time for the Toronto Bonsai Society's meeting tonight, so that'll be exciting too. It is a blustery winter day today. Alright, I'm heading off in the Micra today. Got my winter tires on. I'm all set. I am on my way to Connor's. The weather's pretty good. It's a little blowy, but not too bad. Well, I'm almost at Connor's. Going past the Marilyn Monroe buildings. Very cool. We are here at Zinn's place. And we have the box of marble pots here, so no one's ever seen them yet. We don't know if they're in one piece.
I don't know how many pieces it's in.
We can't even remember what we ordered. This is exciting. This is like Christmas. It's a bonsai Christmas. How heavy are they? Not that bad?
This one is heavy. I don't know what's
Yeah, this one is Nigel.
This must be your pot.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
So it's not that heavy.
So if Zinn is having trouble lifting the bag there, the package, imagine with a tree in it.
It's got me off guard. That's
This
all.
is, oh.
The first one's so light.
Oh my God. Well, let's see what Connor's got here first. You excited, Connor?
Oh yeah.
Very furiously opening the box.
Okay. There's the box.
I'll get this.
So these came from China. They were shipped in from
I think
China.
we're almost through the
They came into the
bubble wrap.
Vancouver port on the west coast and made it across Canada to Ontario here.
Look at how much tape is on this thing.
Yeah, we'll see that.
Wow.
It came pretty fast, within 2 months.
That was, yeah.
When did we order it?
Because we expected them like January, February, didn't we?
Yeah.
That's amazing. Must have been on a fast boat from China. Oh, this is exciting. Oh, they're well packaged.
Oh, more.
Wait. This one gets the real one. I'll get that garbage for
Okay. Yeah, there's
Does a
nothing
dog like these?
I don't know. Yeah.
nothing worse than that styrofoam, is there?
Maybe she stays with me.
Another package.
That's the one though, the final.
Yes.
Yeah, they don't want things to break. So.
This is good. I'll just have a
So we think, Connor, you have an oval-shaped bonsai pot, right?
I believe
It's not
so.
scissors.
Oh, yeah.
I mean,
Or the anticipation is just building here.
there's so much wrapping. It's got to be okay. Like, just lay
Should we
it.
take an intermission?
I think it's going to end up a mommy-sized pot in the end. It'll just be a little tiny pot.
Small.
Imagine that.
Just all packaging.
Wrapping. This is not really easy to open.
I hope this is the last layer.
Look at the other
Yeah.
scissors.
We should get a head start on the other packaging.
It's going to be a long video.
This feels rectangular to me.
It's
Very
one piece, right? Yeah, that's
Wow. Not broken.
Take it easy. Smash it.
That looks good.
Wow.
There
it's
it
still
is.
dusty.
That is amazing. That's beautiful.
It's like they just like came out of the oven.
And that was your one because you had no drainage holes.
Yeah, I got
ordered that one.
suey bands.
Yeah. That is beautiful.
It's like they cut it and they just patch it.
I know.
It's like nothing was done to it.
Yeah, no
Like,
kind of.
this is marble dust?
Yeah.
It looks like it.
Oh yeah. That is amazing.
Wow.
It looks beautiful.
Yes.
Nice, Connor.
Quality.
Yeah, that's going to be really
Look
something.
at the pattern here.
It's like right out of the mine though. Awesome.
Yes.
Yeah,
Wow,
that's
beautiful.
really cool. Amazing. There's the bottom of it, so the feet are kind of cut out like.
Oh, this is
Yeah,
the part of
just-
the rock, I guess?
Yes.
That's the grain of the marble, isn't it?
Oh, that's nice.
There's this nice. This strip is on the top too.
Oh, that's cool.
Yes.
That
Awesome.
one,
I think
that's
that big one.
This one? Or this one?
This is Connor's.
Oh,
That's
okay.
Connor's.
Much lighter.
We'll see Connor's second one. Now, you think this is an oval
Oh, yeah,
shaped
yeah,
one,
yeah.
I
Connor?
think so.
It must be.
With holes in it, or
No, I got all trays.
all trays? Okay.
Yeah.
So this will be.
No, this is-
I should open it open these.
Hello, hello. Oh yes.
I was so worried, so I asked the manufacturer.
Yeah.
I messaged them every single day. I said, I need
Update.
them well packaged.
Yeah.
Okay, well packaged.
Because we never order something like this size or
Wait.
for build like
Right.
fragile. You know.
Yeah, there's never any guarantees, is there? You said that if it comes broken, that's yours.
Yeah. Yeah, then you gotta do the the golden veins.
Yeah.
Put that together.
Kentucky.
They're looking good.
This one looks more oval.
Yes, that is definitely oval, isn't it? So would you say, are they comparable weight to clay, or a little heavier?
A little heavier, I think. I don't know. I've never had something clay this thick.
Yeah, yeah,
It should be heavier, I think.
probably.
This rock, where it's clay, is it's probably a bit
I guess
more.
it depends on the thickness, because some of the clay tray pots are really
Yeah,
thick.
some of the rest heavy ones. But
I think
this
the-
is solid rock.
Better quality pots are thinner,
Yeah.
but you can get some really cheap ones out of it.
Yeah.
The walls are.
Really light.
You're gonna have these little styrofoam pieces in your house for like, you'll be cleaning them up right to the new year. They get everywhere.
Oh, this one's round.
Yeah.
Here it's getting there.
Slide this one right out.
This really feels like Christmas morning.
I've never seen anybody opening packages this furiously before.
Ah, there it is.
I got this side.
There we go.
Oh wow, that's nice.
I like this
Tape,
one.
yeah.
That came in good shape.
This one looks like a great cut of.
That looks great. That's
Awesome.
fantastic.
Perfect.
Wow.
2 whole slabs.
Wow, that is amazing. That looks great.
What I ordered.
Well, it's always good to get exactly what you.
Yeah.
Amazing. That's great. That's fantastic.
That's what dust.
That one is dusty or?
All
Yeah,
dust.
dust.
Goodness. Very nice. Very
Yeah,
nice.
These are great.
One more
Set
to
up some
open.
Penjing on these.
All right.
Yeah, that's gonna be great.
Yours?
Okay.
I'll film it. You
Your
got
turn.
Okay.
3 times that.
Yeah, it's heavy, right?
Nigel's turn.
Alright.
Okay.
Is there a strategy or you just start cutting?
Cut it all the way through, and you can take this whole layer off.
Heck no.
See, this is a more normal speed of opening boxes.
There?
There you go.
If I was a real YouTuber, I'd have a fancy knife you pull out. That's how they open packages. But I'm not. Okay, so. Oh, it is heavy.
Yeah.
Not that heavy, but it just caught me off guard.
Yeah, like the other ones are much lighter, and this one is like, whoa.
It kind of. Okay. This will be the one that's all broken, I bet.
No, I think
Well, we'll see.
with the amount of packaging they
I think we're
have,
gonna go 3 for 3.
it'd be tough to break, I think.
Here's all that styrofoam. Well, if it is broken, you know, we'll glue it back together with epoxy. It's always. Oh my goodness.
Are you texting your girlfriend, Connor?
No, I'm lining up Jay for Kim's name.
Oh, okay.
You need.
I was like about an hour late for Connor's because there was an accident on the
Oh,
way in.
401, eh?
And it was stop and go. Thank you. Oh, that is heavy.
Yeah.
There's definitely some pots in here. Well, this is exciting.
Almost there.
Almost.
Okay, so this is the final.
Oh, this looks like a big pot.
Yeah.
I think his was the biggest size they can ship.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Was it 60 centimeters across or something like that?
Yeah.
Yeah, the 60 is really big.
Go big or go home.
Or go home.
Wow.
Well, that's
this
looking
color.
good.
Yeah. You can see the color.
That is looking good.
Probably an easier way to open this. Oh, here it is.
Wow.
Oh,
Wow.
one
Oh my
piece.
god, look at the color. The gray. Oh my
here it is.
god.
Oh, it's nice.
I think the grain is luck, eh? That you get a
Yeah.
better
Oh,
part
look
of
at
the
this
stone.
side, eh?
Wow. It looks so nice.
That is nice. Oh, yeah. I like that. Well, I think I have a ficus that's going in that. It's all dusty too.
It's a sign of freshness.
Yeah.
Wow.
So that's
Oh, this
That's
thick.
heavy.
It's really thick.
it's not going to blow over in the wind at all.
No, that's not going anywhere.
I like that. That's really cool. Yeah.
5 stars, 100%. What is it? Guaranteed happiness.
I am
Yeah.
very pleased. That is fantastic. That's beautiful. I like the color too.
Yeah, you're great. Like,
It's going to go with the ficus really nicely.
Look at the sides.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool. I like it. Fantastic. I never thought I'd own a marble pot then.
Well,
I really
today
didn't.
is the day.
When I first got into bonsai, I saw pictures of these beautiful Chinese trees in marble pots, and I thought, that is the most fantastic pots I've ever seen, because they get weathering as they get older.
Yeah.
They get like algae stains on them. And I always dreamed of having a marble pot, and now we have one. And it's a good size one too. Holy.
Dream come true.
Yeah.
Yeah, this,
Now there's no drainage holes. We'll have to put those in.
yes.
But that won't be hard.
You said not to have any holes.
Yeah,
Yes.
because we thought for shipping it makes it stronger.
Yeah. But yeah, you can just get a drill and
Yeah,
Probably
just
water
lay them
too.
out, cut holes in, enlarge them. Just I think marbles, like you can sand this and file it, and really nice. Oh, I'm so pleased. Thank you very much, guys. for
Yeah, thanks so much for organizing.
Getting those in.
yeah.
It's like our Christmas present. Isn't it?
It came just in time too.
It's just
Like the
beautiful.
timing of it couldn't be any better.
Oh, I'm so pleased. That's fantastic.
Is
Awesome.
it, can you lift it with tree and soil? Like, is it going to be it's pretty heavy as it is, right?
I'm trying to think how much that weighs. That would probably weigh
30 pounds.
Well, how much was this?
Oh, this one alone is 19.
19 kilos.
19 kilos. Is that just the pot or?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. It was
Yeah, the
about
packaging is like 1
15
kilo.
to 20 kilos, somewhere around there.
Yeah, it's fairly heavy.
But it's not ridiculous. For the size of it, I mean,
You can't put your temple in it.
no, I'm not putting anything heavy. It'll just be a tree and soil.
Have you a tiny ficus in there? Oh, that's enough.
All
Too
for
heavy.
I think this is going to be for the Frankenficus, the
Yeah.
fusion one. I
Yeah.
think it'll look really good in
Oh,
here.
cool, yeah.
I think. I like that. That's cool. I like that. Well, we have arrived at Kim's Nature Bonsai and Orchid Garden Center. Let's go inside and have a look around. Yeah, so we're just having a look through the store here, meeting up with all kinds of TBS members. So these are all Wayne's pots. Up on top here and here, we met Wayne at the KW boot sale or trunk sale. I bought several of his pots and there's all kinds of them here. Really, really nice too. Some of these metallic finishes are incredible. Some very fancy pots. Look at that. Wonderful. So these are some of Wayne's crescent shaped pots. Really nice. Look at that one.
For scale and sizes.
Any sizes, eh? Any sizes, any price. Amazing. Looks great. And
It's your auction pot I picked up.
there's my auction pot. Oh, thank you very much. That is cool. I've got, and a calendar
And
too.
your calendar.
All right. Look at that. They're big, aren't they?
Yeah.
See you later, Mr. Boxwood. I'm going back in. See you later. Jay bought me a nice bag of fruit, 2 bags actually. Thank you very much. And a watering can. That's awesome. Lots of stuff here, isn't it? Yeah, that's. I'm glad this isn't close to my area because I'd be like here all the time.
Yeah, there's all kinds of funnels, medium substrates.
And pots galore. Oh, every time I repotted a tree, I'd just come here and pick out a pot for it. And
Yeah. When I first started, I came here every weekend.
yeah,
Every weekend.
yeah, I believe it. This is incredible. What a store. I gotta get some mudmen today. And look at this, here's a table here. Check that out. Is that ever nice? Wow. I wish
A nice cascade, going there.
I wish I had a house nice enough to put something like this in it. It's beautiful. And there's smaller ones here. Wow. Oh yeah, here they are over here. These are incredible. Well, Jay, you can buy one of these, saw the legs off, and there you go.
You technically are correct.
You can make 2. You got one in the bottom there. Wow. Yeah. So they have all kinds of pots here. Ceramic pots. Pot shapes that I've never seen before. Amazing. I'm just totally overwhelmed here. There's like everything. It's fantastic. Beautiful. Very cool. Look at all the pots. Every size, every color. used pots even.
I'll give you first dibs to have it back. Or I'll pass it on to the next sucker.
There's more of Wayne's pots up here.
Oh, speaking of which,
Really nice ones.
have any portrait of a Perry Alpha. Merlinda.
Wow.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. I mean, as soon as you get cuttings from someone, you're going to then have cuttings. And then
I like these pots too. Really cool glaze on them.
I can't give them to Derek. Derek's got all mine.
Yeah, they're really nice. Like those. Nice sort of cascade pots. So we're going to head out now and check out the greenhouses. See what trees are out there. Yeah. Here we are.
Oh boy. You're just getting here, Nigel.
Just getting here.
Come on, we're going back here to see.
Oh my gosh. I've loaded your car up.
Oh, great.
Okay, we're heading back here.
Oh, we're going to see this.
So these are the greenhouses that are normally for employees only. And we've got special permission to come back here. So here we go. A behind the scenes tour. So we're going outside. You can see it's starting to get dark out. Okay. Come quickly. Oh wow.
It's heated, but it's not like heated.
Right. So we should close the door quickly.
Yeah. And then we do have an actual cold greenhouse where like the pine shoots.
I see. Wow, look at all these boxes. Incredible.
Some boxwoods.
So this is where you keep all your temperate trees, or like
We got a more piney stuff over there. This is mostly junipers and then some cooler things.
okay.
You know, they just end up getting turned over, and we make sure we let everyone know the proper winterizing routines and
Yeah,
stuff. But
yeah.
of course, you're not going to run into metabolic difficulties that quickly.
Right, yeah. Oh,
Yeah,
this
we
is
got,
wonderful.
Yeah, we got some shimpakus that have a shape. We
Yeah,
This is the place for pre-bonsai.
yeah, yeah,
This is the place.
and especially come springtime. So much of our stock comes in springtime,
yeah.
and
So you can get everything pre-bonsai, more finished bonsai, and everything,
yeah. And
eh?
if anything, this year was again an especially lean year for stock.
Yeah,
Also in the pots, it's like not even close to what we would have loved to have shown you.
I see.
It's even since I've been working here, that's like selection wise, like if you don't count Wayne's stuff, like 10%.
Yeah, so I'm gonna
what
have
we
to
used
come
to have.
back and
Whenever
visit
we
once
can get.
again. Oh, that'd be wonderful.
These are so nice.
This place is awesome. I really like it. These are the Buddhist pines.
Yeah.
Wow. And what are these? What are
Some
these?
gardenias.
Gardenias. Okay. Yeah.
But yeah, and then turns out that door blocks. We got to go back around to get out. We got some nice Chinese elms in here. They don't.
Very nice.
I do like these boxwoods.
Oh, they're beautiful.
We.
Do you know anybody who likes boxwoods?
We have a few.
I know.
We have a few boxwoods.
Wow. They're beautiful too. Really nicely shaped. Like, look
So
at them.
what temperature does it stay around here in the winter?
This is no more than 10 Celsius.
Look at that
Yeah,
one.
like above freezing.
That is cool.
Yeah, yeah. This one is consistently above freezing. We have a strictly
Wow,
unheated
these are
greenhouse
amazing.
over there. That's where all the other stuff
So
is.
these you kind of have to.
Donated. Bring donated to these.
Very cool.
Have,
It's getting dark fast out here.
Just do a 30-second one and don't let it go through.
Okay, yeah, let the door
yeah,
close
that one,
quickly.
That one also.
So this is your normal outdoor area here.
Yeah, normally these benches are full.
Wow.
Well, summer.
Yeah, this is the first time I've ever been here. I've heard of this place forever, and oh, you've got a lot of greenhouses back here.
Yeah.
Alright, you guys might want to go back here.
Wow.
Yeah, yeah, that one's Eddie's greenhouse. That's where various projects are.
I see.
But
Now, are these heated? These
yes,
greenhouses?
yes,
Yeah.
this one's heated less so than the full tropical one.
Oh, it's nice in here. Look at that. Wow.
So yeah, that's
Well, thank you very much for the tour.
oh yeah, no, my
What's your
pleasure.
name?
I'm Chris.
Chris, well, thanks for the tour, Chris. This is wonderful.
Yeah, and again, come summertime, we have so much more stock that goes out here and things.
Yeah, I'll have to come back and see this in the summertime because
This year, we sold through like our full contingent of maples by May.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. That's good to hear.
And I mean, this you can prove of course yourself. These are all the sale bonsai.
Okay. Wow, look at these spikas here, eh?
Yeah, this year we have gone through a lot of our remaining big trees.
Yeah.
These guys are pretty much the only ones left.
Wow.
She has had this one for 20 some odd years.
I believe it. It looks
And the
fantastic.
her estimate is about 100 years old.
Really?
But
Yeah.
I have no idea.
I believe it because, you know, trunks like that don't come overnight. Oh, they're just wonderful.
She like had graded all the roots and everything, but that's
Look at these. Fantastic.
I don't think they're gonna do it in the heat, like right now, winter,
Yeah.
but they blush a pink.
Oh, yeah.
So from the bottom, it just like streaks to pink. They are so gorgeous.
Oh,
It's
wow.
blushing or bridal pink. Sorry.
Okay.
Yeah.
Eugenia's up here. Fantastic.
We had chef floras, and we had some really gorgeous chef floras. But
Yeah.
we sold 8 of them yesterday.
Really?
Yeah.
8.
Some
Wow.
of them had such complex root structures. But I mean,
Oh,
of course.
very cool. Very cool.
Yeah, this stock of the stable, podocarpus stock,
Yeah.
gardenias, boxwoods.
Boxwoods. You got a bit of everything,
I
don't
do
you?
love these guys, the jabuticabas, or jabuticaba,
Yeah, yeah.
as I corrected it.
Very nice. Very nice. Barbados cherry. Lilabeguria. Junipers. Well, let's go look around here. We've got everything here. Azaleas. Ficus, fiddle leaf figs. Rubber trees. Oh, there's a lot of bonsai in here.
Yeah. Well, we're gonna talk about those nursery call things too, right? Maybe get a
Wow.
good sponsors.
There's a lot of trees here.
Yeah, eh? Crazy. All shapes and sizes.
What's Connor got here? What is that, Connor?
I'm not gonna be able to pronounce it.
Okay.
Japotica.
Okay.
It's the one that grows the fruit off of the trunk.
Oh, I've seen that.
Brazilian
Yeah.
grape tree,
Yeah.
I guess.
Yeah. It gets a little purple
Yeah.
fruits on it, right?
And it has a really nice, like, flaky, coppery bark.
Yeah. Oh, is that ever cool?
Yeah, it's got some good curve to it.
Great species to grow. Yeah. Oh, that's wonderful.
And some couple of accent plants.
Yeah. Venus flytrap, some stone
Yeah, the lithops.
cacti, lithops. Yeah.
And this one's fun. It's
And that
flowering.
is cool.
I don't know what it is, but
It's cool. Whatever.
yeah,
it
yeah,
is.
exactly.
Wow, that's
Yeah,
cool.
and a
guys.
nice,
and that pot's gorgeous.
jade glazed pot.
That's nice. It looks antique already.
I know.
doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool. Very good. Jay showed me the mudman on the video, and now I'm at the section here.
That's right. So I'm lined up to get my sales commission.
Yeah, I think you need it. That's cool. You can get them playing checkers. What are they doing here?
Better eyes than mine. It almost looks like they're playing cribbage, you know, like or something.
I don't know what that is. Interesting. Maybe. And these.
They're reading, actually. And that's a little baby on there. This one looks like a boat.
Boats, I can recognize those. There's little miniature boats up here. This is what Connor needs for his marble
penjing tree. Yeah, nice meeting you guys.
Linda.
And we'll meet again.
Yeah, happy holidays. everyone.
Yeah, have a good holidays. Do lots of bonsai and get lots of rest. See you later. Thanks so much.
Thank you very, very much.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thanks.
It was very nice
Nice
meeting
see your
you.
videos.
Oh, thank you very much.
Right. Okay.
It was a pleasure coming here.
Yes.
Thank you.
See you the video talk. So much. And I'm so we're from England, not Toronto.
Talk online, I guess. I'll see you next time, whatever.
All right, have a good Christmas then. See you later.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Thank you. Thank you. You too.
I got home quite late last night, so I didn't make the Toronto Bonsai Society's online meeting. I'll put a link to the Toronto Bonsai Society in the description below. The monthly meetings are online and they're fantastic. Anyone can join and you learn a lot and it's really inspiring and you get to meet all the people from the club. It's a fantastic experience. I really had fun on the road trip yesterday, meeting up with Connor and then heading to Zinn's, opening up those packages with the marble pots inside for the very first time. And they're fantastic. I just love them. So thanks very much, Zinn and Cherry, for ordering those in for us. They're a real treasure. I was going to show you everything I got yesterday, but the video was getting long. I started editing it this morning and I noticed it's getting to be a very long video. So I think I'm going to save that for a part 2. And I'll show you everything I got at Kim's Nature, some of the gifts I got. I got some more mail. I got some pots in the mail. And I got the TBS calendar, a new pot from the auction. There's all kinds of stuff. Some gifts from Tom. There's just so much. It's so cool. So that'll be coming up in part 2 of this video. My road trip has come to an end. That might be the last one of 2021. And that's all for today. I'm Nigel Saunders. Thanks for joining me in the Bonsai Zone.